Happy Sunday, everyone, and welcome back to Thrifty Mama Scraps. Today, I'm going to do a plan with me video and take you along with me. This is a finished product of this video, and when I come right back, I am going to start with how I choose the stickers and other embellishments to do this week's plan. I'll see you in a few seconds. Okay, I'm back. I'm finished decorating for the week. How I decorate is because I have a bunch of stickers and I don't like to set a precedent in using an entire page per week. I kind of like to just mingle through all of them and find a common theme and then go with it. That's just kind of how I roll. First of all, I pick a couple inspirational quotes to inspire me for the week. That's the first thing that I do. This one really caught my eye. Life is better when you're laughing. So I stuck that there and I thought, okay, well, one of the main colors for this week is going to be this craft paper color. And then next I found this one. A year from now, you will wish you had started today. That is a good inspirational one. I had my physical last week, and although I'm healthy, according to the doctor, I'm doing quite well. There's always room for improvement. So, just weight loss goals and things like that I want to work on from the year, and just inspiration to keep me on track. So I continue to progress throughout the year and do well. After I got those quotes on, then I went searching for a color that would go with the craft paper color. And the next sticker that I chose was the Stick It one. Or Check It one. Stick It one. Boy, some days I'd like to tell people to stick it, wouldn't you? That's hilarious. Or life to stick it. That makes me laugh. Okay. This Check It sticker I found, and this lavender color, and I thought lavender went pretty well with the spring theme of this coming week, and it also matched the craft quite well. So I stuck that there, and then I knew that I was going to search for purples and lavenders and things like that to go in my planner. So I found this floral, which worked really well because it has just about the same color in it. And then these little glasses and this Make It Happen sticker, the to-do sticker. And then I found this one that kind of matches this floral. It says spring is the time of plans and projects. So I thought that was quite fitting for the 23rd. And then I used like the me time sticker and stuff, and found a purple one, a little purple dollar sign, some little washi tape strips that were purple, and then this to buy purple. And then I also stuck in some gold stickers just to give it a little bit of sparkle. So then after I get all those stickers down that don't really serve any purpose, they're just decorative, then I put this week up on top. That covers up this, I think it's, what does it say? Planning or something like that. I'm not even sure what that says because I always cover it up. Let's see. Oh, it says notes. Okay. So I covered up the notes with this week. This little phone is here because I need to call my doctor's office and see if I can get a refill for my migraine medication because it's out. And then, so I put a get prescription refill sticker there. And then here I have pick up prescription because I'm going to pick up my prescription either Monday or Tuesday. Right here, I put a little cleaning sticker, must do today, with arrows here. And this is where I'm going to put the priorities of what absolutely needs to be cleaned this week. And then I went grocery shopping last week, so I really don't need anything to buy this week. But I put a few lines just in case we run out of something that needs to be picked up. And then I always put my meal plan down at the bottom. Here I have make an appointment. If my knee is not better by Tuesday or Wednesday of this coming week, I am going to be brave and call and make an appointment and see what they want to do about that. And then here is a cleaning checklist. Here's a cleaning checklist. Here we have piano lessons, and I want to pay our mortgage for next month that day because we'll be in town. We can stop at the bank. And then here is payday. Top priority here. Just I'm going to list other bills that need to be paid this week. And then I have a doctor's appointment at 2 o'clock that day. So I put a doctor's appointment sticker. Usually on Saturday night, I try to do me time and do all my personal things that I want to do. And then Sunday morning, I usually have a to-do list. Hopefully we're going to get to church Sunday night. My husband works in the morning, but we haven't been to church for a while, so I want to make sure that we get to church. And then my son needs a haircut. And that's about it. So I'm going to fill this all in, and then I'll come back and show you a brief view of my week, and then that'll be it. So I'll be back again. Okay, I'm back, and everything is filled in for the week as far as what I know so far. Of course, there's going to be other chores that are added in throughout the week because I'm not sure what day I'm going to do them on, and I'll know the night before. Like laundry, I'm all caught up on laundry, so I really don't know when I'm going to have a load. I'm not a person who does a load every single day, just because I tend to catch up, and then when I have a load, I throw it in. It's not really that big of an issue. That's why I don't write down dishes either, because they're done every day. It's not a big deal. I just get it done. Okay, the most important things for this week are that I absolutely want to get done on Monday because my husband works 9 to 3 is hose out garbage cans, wash bedding, and finish wiping down the cabinets. Family game night tomorrow night, usually on Mondays when he works in the morning, and then on Wednesdays we usually always do movie night, and then on Sunday and Mondays we do game night. I do need to buy dirt so I can plant my herbs. I do need to shave my legs. I need to clean the bathroom surfaces. Front closet I need to reorganize, and then there is some mending that needs to be done. That night my husband works 3 to 11, so I'm going to try to tackle my craft room and office and clean that. On Wednesday, for my other channel at Happily a Homeschool Mom, I need to film a Spanish bingo video on how we play that game, and then also spelling Battleship and how we play that game. So I'm going to record those on Wednesday. And then I need to declutter the desks. Monthly budget plans. My husband has off on Wednesday. And so what we usually do once a month is we'll sit down and we'll go over all the budget goals and for the following month and get everything so we're all on the same page. I am going to update my bullet journal on Tuesday so it's all ready for when we go over our monthly budget, because that's where I write down everything that needs to get paid and the dates it needs to get paid on and any upcoming appointments and so forth. Those go in my bullet journal. And then we can just refer back to it when we sit down. It's just more succinct that way. My husband doesn't like to spend a lot of time talking about things, and not that we don't communicate well. We do communicate very well. It's just that he's a guy, and guys like things super organized and succinct when you talk about them, and then he knows, and it's not. I talk like 50 million times more than he does, so he's just the typical guy. The boys need to take a shower that night. They usually take a shower every other night, and I always make sure they take a shower the night before piano and the night before church, and then one other day in between there. We have movie night on Wednesday night where the kids usually pick a movie and then we just watch it in the living room. Hopefully we'll get back to going to church on Wednesday nights. Not sure when that's going to start up again, but we just need to get a little bit more organized in that fashion. Get back to church. Thursday we have piano lessons. We need to stop by the bank and pay the mortgage because the day that the mortgage is due in April, we're going to be out of town. And then we'll probably eat out that night. Friday, just a list of some bills that need to be paid because it's payday. And then Saturday, boys shower and shave. I'm going to film a scrap with me video. It looks like I smeared. These slick stickers aren't the best for the Pilot G2, just a heads up. This one's smeared too, another slippery sticker. Just some me time. Gonna do my mani-pedi and probably shave my legs. Because I generally shave my legs once a week. Film a playing with me video on Sunday, hopefully church. Get Hunter a haircut. And then our menu plan for the week is Monday lasagna, Tuesday salmon and potatoes. Wednesday we're having meatballs and tortellini. Thursday night we'll eat out because we'll be in town for piano lessons. Friday chicken stir fry and rice noodles. Saturday chili and corn muffins, and Sunday chicken and mashed potatoes and broccoli. And we have all of this. I don't need to go shopping at all for groceries. So all of this stuff is on hand. So, well, I thank you all for watching, and I hope you'll be back for another Playing With Me video, and have a great week. Bye.